Okay, so what we'll be talking about today will be market structure. This will be very quick. Um, that's what we're talking about, market structure. So when we see the market, first of all, you need to understand that structure itself, what the market is doing at the moment, what is the structure it is creating. When you see the market, say from here, you can see it goes from here down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So what will you call the structure? The structure right here is a bearish structure. All right, now when you look at this market from up, down, up, down, up, down, you can see the structure it is creating right here is a bullish structure. Okay, so in such scenario, when you see the structure is bullish, then you are looking for longs, right? And if it is bearish, you are looking for short. Okay, so that is the structure. And now we should go down to an example. You can see here, right here, we have the market. From here, you can see it started going higher, low, high. From here, you'll be anticipating a sort of drop. Okay, that's what you're anticipating. Now, not necessarily the market will start dropping for you, but you just know that after this drop right here, we are going to see an expansion, or the price is going to start driving higher. But you don't know at exactly where it will start dropping. That is not a problem. But you are waiting for price to make what? Another low, then high. Okay, so let me go down to a much more lower time frame where you can see it much clearly. So you can see we have price high, low, high, low. You can see it started making high, low, and you can see from here picked up high, low, high, low, high. You can see, so the structure, once you look at this, is a what? Bullish structure, right? So let's look at another example for when the market is, giving a bearish structure and it's something much clearer. Or let me just quickly go down to the 1 minute time frame, since I know it's almost the same thing as that. Okay, I need one that is much longer. Good. So when you look at this market at the moment, from here, you can see here's a low, high, low, high. Okay, what do you see? A low, high. Do you see that? A low, high, low, high. You can see that, right? So from here, you can look at the market and say, okay, this market, the structure that the market is giving at the moment is a bearish structure. So once you're able to look at the market and be able to identify what structure the market is showing you at the moment, then you can know, okay, whether the market is in a bullish condition or in a bearish condition. Now, there are other things that come into play to know about that, but we start from the basics. Okay, we are not rushing it. Okay, we'll come down to much more advanced stuff about market structure, but you start from here. You go back to your chart. Okay, you identify where the market is going up, down, or low, up, low, up. You understand? You look for the market when it is a bearish structure and when the market is giving a bullish structure. All right, that is very important. Now, there are times where the market actually it doesn't go up nor down, right? So what is that market doing at the moment? Well, say we have this, we have this. All right, so what the market is doing right now is what? It is consolidating. That is what the market is doing. It is consolidating. So when you look at a market and you see price going in a sideways direction, then you say, okay, the market is apparently consolidating. This is a scenario where you don't want to engage price. Okay, except you're a scalper. But if you're that person that loves to hold trades a bit longer, this is not an ideal condition for you to trade in. But looking at this market, this are the type of condition you want to trade, actually, to be honest. So let's look at when we have, say, a bearish markets. Let's look at it from a 1 minute time frame, so to be more easier to find. Something like this actually. From here, let's just see from here like this. All right, so you can see the market moving sideways. It's not going up, not going down, it's moving sideways. So this right here is a consolidation market. Now consolidation, people don't like this consolidation, but if you understand how the market moves, you will always love to see this consolidation, because after consolidation you know what to expect. Now these are advanced stuffs, we'll get back to it, not now. Okay, so you focus on structure, go back to your chart and look for where the market is giving a bearish structure, and look for the market when it's giving a bullish structure, consolidating market. Okay, when you do this, you train your eyes to see this, then we'll move to the next class on market structure, which it will be much more advanced. That's what we are looking for. This right here is the basic, so we will look at the advanced market structure in my next video. So anyways, be safe.